What's up, guys? So finally it's here. The Super Baja 2.0. It's gonna be a quick unboxing here. So let's get to it right now. Okay. I was waiting forever for this guy because of COVID. Everything is super slow, deliveries. So this guy is giant and heavy. Looks good. There you go. Okay. We got some batteries here for the remote, probably for the radio. Got a tool. User manual. It's gonna be handy. Okay, and then I think that's it. Stuff is here. So this one is in. Let's see if I guess this is the radio with it. Really? What's this? Spectrum DX3. I think it's the same one I have already. So now I got two. So yeah, got two of these guys now. Yeah, this is a decent radio, but it's not the best one. Probably I'm gonna bind this guy with my Java or something. Yeah. Okay. Good stuff. Wow, look at that, guys. Yeah, beautiful. So the top doesn't come off. So we got spare tires here, LED lights on the back, on the front, and right here. Awesome. So what we gonna put in this guy? Okay. So this is a metal chassis. Okay, this guy is loose already. I'm gonna check the screws before I'm gonna take it out. We should do it anyways. And then, yeah, that's the battery. Need the screw. Okay. Alright, guys. Yeah. So that was a quick unboxing, and I'm gonna upload more videos running this guy outside, but unfortunately not today because the weather is not the best today. It's pretty muddy, raining, so I don't wanna take this guy out right away in the mud. All right, thanks for watching.